Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Indeed Flex review. Everything you need to know. Indeed Flex is a mobile platform that connects workers, known as flexers, with on-demand gig-style jobs. Operated by Indeed, it allows verified workers to book a temporary shifts and get paid weekly, with a same-day pay option that gives access up to 50% of earnings just an hour after a shift ends. The app also features a rewards and leveling system offering perks, referral bonuses, and early access to shift discounts based on performance. Some flexers can even enroll in supplemental medical, dental, and vision plans. The biggest advantages are flexibility and control. You choose when and where to work, and the app's smooth onboarding and reward features. On the flip side, shift availability can be inconsistent. Occasional technical issues may occur, and some jobs may differ from their description. Overall, Indeed Flex is a legitimate, flexible gig work option for extra income or part time work. Though it might not suit those seeking a fully reliable full time job, explore more directly in the app or on their official website to see if it's the right fit for you. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.